Hi everybody, this is a quick video just to show you how to access journal articles from Penfield Library and limit those to peer-reviewed specifically. So this is the library's homepage. I'm going to click Resources by Subject, and then when I scroll down I can click Business. I'm going to click the Management Research Guide. You can click any of these guides, and I'm going to select the Business Source Complete database. When you are off campus, you will get a similar result as I do, where it will ask you to log in. So I'm going to log in if I can spell my password quickly. And after you log in, it will keep you logged in no matter what other databases you might search. So if I'm searching human resource management, I'm just going to put that in as it's a big search, but you would want to go and narrow these as well. But when you're doing the search, along this left side, you'll see several different limiters, and this one is the Scholarly Peer-Reviewed Journals limiter, which if you click that, will give you results, and those results will only include ones that are peer-reviewed or considered scholarly. So this is a really quick way to ensure that you have the correct things selected, and you definitely have peer-reviewed journals. Most of those will say academic journals, so that's another hint that you have located the correct things. Thanks for listening to this video. Please get in touch if you have questions. I'm available via email, or you could do a Zoom chat with me as well, or talk to any of the librarians via the Ask a Librarian account.